Welcome to my channel, where I talk about the latest trends and innovations in technology. In this video, I'm going to tell you why robots will take over jobs from humans when it comes to baggage sorting at the airport. You might have seen videos of humans throwing bags around without any care, damaging them or losing them in the process. You might have also experienced the frustration of waiting for your luggage to arrive, only to find out that it's been sent to the wrong destination or worse, stolen. Well, these problems could soon be a thing of the past, thanks to robotics. Robots are already revolutionizing airport baggage handling in many parts of the world. For example, in Krasnodar International Airport in Russia, they are planning to use robots to help automate the baggage picking and loading process. These robots use a system of vacuum caps instead of mechanical claws to grab onto luggage, minimizing potential damage. They are also capable of reading barcodes and deciding on where exactly to put luggage. In Miami International Airport in the US, they have installed a new automated baggage system that includes nearly 9 miles of new and rerouted conveyor belts, 12 new explosive detection machines, 52 new robot tables glide, and a reconfigured across the floor carrying checked suitcases and park in front of TSA officers for further review. They then drop the bags back on the conveyor belt. On their journey to their plane, these robotic systems have many advantages over human workers. They can reduce human error, loss and damage, speed up screening and loading time, cut costs and delays, increase safety and security, handle unpredictable physical work, adapt to different sizes and shapes of bags. Humans, on the other hand, have many disadvantages when it comes to baggage handling. They can make mistakes, lose or damage bags, slow down screening and loading time, increase costs and delays, pose safety and security risks, struggle with unpredictable physical work, suffer from muscle spasms or injuries. So, as you can see, robots are clearly better than humans at baggage handling. They are faster, smarter, safer and more efficient. They can also handle more bags per hour than humans can. That's why I think robots will take over jobs from humans when it comes to baggage sorting at the airport. What do you think? Do you agree or disagree with me? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech-related content.